Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit. Today another case study that I'll be sharing on one of my actual patients who suffered with chronic neck pain related to cervical or neck degenerative disc disease and advanced arthritis. I'll be explaining how a simple, customized exercise can not only help reduce pain but also improve the postural mechanical distortions that were affecting her pain. Over a course of several months, as she strengthened her neck during this exercise, she found marked relief of her neck pain, which now rarely bothers her at all. I hope you enjoy. This pain relief exercise was performed by including an emphasis on head retraction to correct the forward head posture, shoulder blade depression, pushing down towards the hips to correct the tendency to elevate the shoulders, and on rounding the shoulder blades so that the neck muscles were strengthened in that correct position, supporting good posture. The first exercise movement was a side tilting motion, bringing the ear to the shoulder, followed by a rotational movement looking up towards the ceiling as the forward head elevated around a shoulder posture was held in correction. Repetitions were performed beginning at 3 to 4 reps and eventually building to 30. This program over several months made a marked improvement in neck pain. This case study once again emphasizes the need and importance of including corrective exercises to help heal you based on an analysis of your body posture, movement errors, muscle imbalances, and conditioning. Without addressing these factors, many times your body gets stuck and never realizes its full healing potential. I suggest always working with a good rehab specialist who takes their time to properly analyze all of these facets of your health. And if you don't have one nearby, you can check out many of our self-help programs available at painfreeandfit.com.